get started?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm going to put you all on camera for a second. Hello. I already know most of you, so I don't require too much introduction, but for those of you who don't know me, I'm Stephen Talcott-Smith. I am the founder of Alogica. Welcome to our company and our office. Thank you. As I was just explaining to Andrew, I am a developer like you. I began my Ruby career in 2006. Prior to that, I'd done PHP, Java, Perl, and other things. I started my career as a Unix administrator, doing supporting large production systems in factories, in finance, and all of that. So I've worked for several startups. I've had my own ventures. This is my baby, and I'm very proud of it. We've been longtime supporters of the Ruby community here in the Philippines, with sponsoring the annual conference 5 years in a row, and meetups like this on a consistent basis. Many leaders in the Ruby community and have worked with Alogica over the years, and I want to tell you today about a project that I've built over the last couple months. That is one of the ways that I'm looking to give back and expand my world. What I did is five or 6 years ago, I wrote a book called Level Up, and for developers. I started thinking about the stuff that I wanted to tell the next 100 employees of the company, and as I began to write it all down, it became much more than a company book, and I retooled it as a book for sale. 5 years later, I recently invested in some video equipment, including a teleprompter and a bunch of stuff, lighting and so on. I decided that I needed to push into video and learn how to communicate in this medium. And so what I created to express myself was something called 10X Dev Academy. And my focus with that is to help developers become more valuable. It's been my consistent focus over the years. It's one of the greatest sources of satisfaction in my work, is watching people develop and assisting in their personal and professional growth. So that's been my objective, and I conceived the 10X Dev Academy as a way to communicate all of my learning and knowledge and push it beyond these walls and beyond the people that can experience it up close and to the world. So I'll just show you the website and encourage you to go there and tell someone about it. What I have right now is a free course. There you go. Okay, so I'm still working on the pitch language, but basically the premise is that I think you can become 10 times more valuable if you learn some behaviors, some habits, and some principles, and begin to apply them consistently. And that's what I aim to teach, as well as some knowledge. So I have some upcoming, the free course is already available. I am working on, I've built out the curriculum for understanding business value for developers, communication skills for developers. It's all developer focused. The technical leadership and career strategy. So I have a lot of things to say on all these topics, and you can expect over the next 8 to 10 months that I'm going to produce a lot of material on that. So I aim to have the first lessons for business value coming out in December, but you can go on and take the free course right now, and that covers time management and a lot of the things that you would get by working here, just by osmosis. What I've realized is I can produce about 1.5 to 2 videos a week of about 5 to 10 minutes duration, because I have to conceive of a script, I have to do many takes sometimes, and then I develop some slides to communicate the concepts visually, which I overlay on top of my video. And so I'm producing a mixture of videos for my classes, as well as what I call nuggets that are shareable. And I produced one the one that got the most likes or clicks, I think, so far was my segment on time boxing. So use time boxing to crush unbounded tasks. And it's about an 8-minute video about the strategy, or 5 or 6 minute video about strategy for using time boxing. So I'm going to be pushing a lot of these videos out. You can find them if you follow me on Twitter or LinkedIn. LinkedIn is my main platform, but you'll get those kind of nugget videos, and all of them will direct you to 10X Dev Academy at the end to go through the lessons. The lessons themselves are videos followed by a little bit of survey material to help you write and think about the material that's being presented. So I'm very proud of it. I'm excited. This is my passion, and I want to share it with you and with developers around the world. So I hope you check it out. Alogica has a number of open positions right now. We are recruiting. We've recently filled a couple, and we've got a couple more to fill. So if you're in the market and looking for work, we should probably talk about what you're looking for and see if there's a fit there. Okay. I'm Steve at Alogica in email. You can also find me easily on LinkedIn, Stephen Talcott-Smith. But by all means, just come up to me and talk to me after the meetup. So, thank you very much. Welcome.